K2, today we're going to do an experiment. We are going to extract chlorophyll from the leaf. I have a long leaf here. So what is chlorophyll? Chlorophyll is the tiny units in the plant cell that makes it different from the animal cell, remember? And they are the ones that give the leaves the green color. And do you remember what chlorophyll does? Chlorophyll will trap the sunlight energy, and then they use the energy to make food for the plants. So which part of the plants make food? Yes, the leaves. Okay, so today we're going to extract the chlorophyll from the green leaf and then see what happens, okay? So what do we need besides the leaf? First, we need some 95% alcohol, okay? 95% alcohol. If you smell this, okay, it has the smell of sanitizer, because sanitizer contains alcohol as well, but sanitizer's alcohol is only 70 or 75%, and Teacher Wendy is using a 95% alcohol, which is a higher concentration. Then it looks transparent and it looks exactly like water, right? But if you smell it, it smells different. Water has no smell. Alcohol has a very strong smell. Okay, this can kill germs, but to kill germs, we need 70% alcohol. Okay, 96% alcohol is highly inflammable. That means we can make a big fire from this alcohol. Okay, and they evaporate into the air very fast. And that's why we call it volatile. Okay, volatile. If a liquid is volatile, it means it evaporates into the air very, very fast. So that means if I touch it with my finger, okay, it's going to dry up very fast. Easy? Okay, I'm going to do it again. I dip it. You see it's wet, but very fast it's going to evaporate. So you see, my hands are dry already. Okay, and it has this cool feeling. Okay, if you do not have a sensitive skin, you can ask your teacher to let you just dip your one finger into the alcohol and have a feel, alright? Okay, if you can use sanitizer and has no allergic reaction, you can touch alcohol, no problem. Okay, just a tiny bit. And next, we need this. Do you remember what is this? It's a very small test tube. Yes, one of the tools that scientists use for experiment to study things, okay, in this little tube. And next, do you remember what tool is this? It's used to suck up liquid. Yes, it's called the pipette. So I'm going to use the pipette later to suck up the alcohol and to put it into the test tube. Okay, step one, what do? We need just a tiny bit of the leaf. So I'm just going to use my hand and tear just a small tiny bit of the leaf. Okay, it's green in color because it's filled with chlorophyll. Okay, I'm going to put it into the test tube. Then I'm going to use the pipette. Okay, what do? You dip the pipette into the alcohol, okay, and you press Did you see the bubble? Okay, if you let go, you will see the alcohol inside the pipette. Okay, and then as you press, it will drip out. Okay, one more time. Let me show you. If I dip it in, I press. You see the bubble? Okay, that's the air inside the pipette. Okay, I let go. I'll suck up the alcohol inside the pipette. And now that I have the alcohol in the pipette, I'm going to slowly drip it into the test tube when it's about almost full. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, I think I can fill it up a little bit. And there we go. Okay. Then you close the lid of the test tube. Make sure you hear a click. Okay, hear a click. So it's closed completely. Okay, what happens is the alcohol is going to suck out all the chlorophyll from the leaf. So if you leave it there for maybe 30 minutes, okay, it will work. But to make things go faster, we're going to give it energy. Okay, how do we give energy? We just have to move it, right? We just got to shake. So you got to shake it. You can shake it. You got to move it. You got to move it. You got to move it. Okay, but you don't really have to shake so hard. Actually, you can just turn, okay, upside down, okay? And then just do a few times, and then we will observe what happened, okay? It's quite pretty, right? You can see the leaf inside the test tube in the alcohol. Oops. So I'm just going to shake a little bit more. Give it some energy so we can see the results faster. Okay, as you can see, I'm at the park in my neighborhood. Okay, I'm just going to shake it, and shake it. I'm gonna move it. I'm gonna move it. I gotta move it. You can dance. Okay, you can play some music. Okay, you can sing while you're shaking. Okay, how long do you think we have to shake? Shall we shake for about 3 minutes? Okay, you can even just hold it like this and shake it. I'm just going to hold like this so that you can see. Okay, you can just go up and down, up and down. You can just go turn around. See, there are people running, jogging. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's a nice weather out here. It's a sunny day. It's about 1 minute already. Okay, what do you think will happen? Okay, as the alcohol suck out, extract. Okay, extract means suck out. Okay, suck out the chlorophyll from the leaf. What color do you think the leaf will turn? What color do you think the leaf will turn into? Will it still remain green? Or maybe white? Or yellow? Or brown? We observe how leaves change their colors, right? Yeah, especially leaves that have dropped on the ground. What color are they usually? Okay, well, I'm just going to set this down and leave it there for a moment, okay? And I'm just going to go around and explore some of the leaves around this park. Okay, there are a lot of leaves on the ground. Okay, you see, these are the leaves that fall on the ground from the tree. What color is it? Yes, brown. Why is it brown when they're on the ground? Okay, these are grass that grows from the ground. They are not dead yet. Okay, all these brown leaves, okay, they are from the tree over here. As you can see, the leaves on the tree are still green in color. But what happens when they fall onto the ground? Why do they turn brown? We say living things need to remove their waste, right? For animals and human beings, how do we remove our waste? We pee and we poo-poo. Okay? Plants, trees, they are all living things. So they do have to remove their waste as well. Okay, but of course they do not poop. So how do they remove their waste? Okay? Yes. They will have their leaves all fallen to the ground when they don't need it anymore. Okay? The brown leaves are the waste of the tree. So remember, leaves are the part of the plant that help the plant to make food. Okay, so when their job is done and they run out of chlorophyll, plant use up the leaves. The leaves has got no more chlorophyll to work. So and they run out of chlorophyll, so they change color. So they are no longer green. So they will just let it fall. Okay, let's look at this little plant here. Okay, can you see these are the good leaves that are still working? And then these leaves are not working anymore. They change color. And very soon they will just fall off the ground. Their job is done. Let me just shake it a little bit. See? If it comes off the branch easily. And don't worry, because new leaves, see, there's a baby leaf here, new leaves will grow again. Because living things will grow and reproduce, right? So new leaves will grow, old leaves will fall. Look, there's a baby leaf here. Two baby leaves. Oh look, some leaves change to yellow color. Okay, and they also fall to the ground. So what do you think will happen to our leaf inside the alcohol when we extract all the chlorophyll out? Will it turn yellow or brown? Okay, it's not going to dry, right, if it stays inside the alcohol. So you think it will turn brown, yellow, or transparent? What do you think? Make a guess while we are extracting. This may take a while, okay? So if you cannot see the results today, okay, maybe you have to go home first or something. Okay, you leave the test tube in school, then you come back tomorrow, okay, and observe what happened. Okay, remember the alcohol is transparent, it has got no color. So logically, if the alcohol is going to extract all the chlorophyll out, what color do you think the alcohol will turn into? Green? Yes? You think so? And then if the green chlorophyll goes into the alcohol, what will happen to the leaf? What color will it turn into?